Hello everybody and welcome to Lemon Dragon. Today we're playing Super Mario 64 on the Nintendo Switch. So we're playing Super Mario 3D All-Stars actually. I'm going to show you a few different moves Mario has in this game, and then we're going to fight all the bosses. So first we have probably the ground pound, the jump, the double jump, the triple jump, the slide. Maybe I'll use the long jump a few times. I might use the when you walk against the wall, the dive, the trip, and that's probably about it. So maybe I'll also use the backflip and side somersault. Oh, like that. Let's go. Okay, everybody, we made it to the top. And we're going to do a little side somersault here. Here's King Bob-omb. Okay, King Bob-omb. Gonna get ya. So we gotta grab him from behind. Press Y. Oh. Don't grab me. Okay, we gotta run around. Grab him by pressing Y. And we pick him up and we press Y again. We throw him. We gotta do that 3 times. And it gets harder as you go, so. Gotta run around. Oh, he got us. Can we save ourselves? Yep. Okay. It's long jump. Run around. Dive. Can we grab him? Uh-oh, he's gonna get us. Nope, we got away. Okay. Grab him. Grab him. No. Keep diving. I have too much momentum. Grab. Grab. We got him. Yeah. Okay, we damaged him twice. One more. This one's really hard because when you run around him, can't grab him. Okay, I'm getting there. Almost. Oh man, this is tough. Okay. Come on, King Bob-omb. I have to jump over you, I guess. Okay, we can get him here. Oh. Run around. Okay, gotta grab him. Grab. Grab. Why can't I grab him? Here we go. Yeah. What? Can it be that a pipsqueak like you has defused the Bob-omb King? Question mark, question mark, question mark, question mark. King Bowser by the tail. Guess we're gonna have to grab his tail to beat Bowser. And there's our star. Looks like I already got this star, but that's okay, so we can grab it again. Yeah. Yeah. One boss down. I think 11 to go? No, I think it's 10. I'll see you guys at the next boss. Okay, everybody, we made it to the Whomp King. Okay, let's go. So you can actually damage the Whomp King if you jump and you ground pound, but we missed. Oh, we didn't get crushed. But you can only phase through him if you're in your ground pound animation. You can't do it if you're just in your jump animation, so you gotta be really fast. Got him again. This one we'll just do a normal hit if we can. Okay, run over here, jump on him, ground pound. We beat him. There's the star. Let's grab it and then I'll see you guys at Bowser. Bye. Okay, everybody, I made it to the pipe that you have to do to get to Bowser, and that was pretty difficult, but now we can go in. Here's us, and there's Bowser. So we gotta hit him up. We gotta grab his tail and throw him onto one of those spiky things, like right over here. This thing. Whoa! Ow! Bowser! I guess I haven't beaten you yet, actually. Did I? I don't remember. Anyway, so if we move our joystick around, let's just randomly throw him because I can't time it very well. Okay, we missed. Uh-oh. Ow. What? Why did I take damage? Okay, so I randomly took damage. I think I have to jump because I think there's invisible shockwaves. I think that's a glitch, but, yeah. Run. Grab him, grab him! Uh-oh. Wrong button. I think we can still run around fast enough to get him. Okay, let's just, again, probably try to throw him randomly. But, can we try to aim for that one? Oh. We missed. Okay, so this is the part. I'm just going to run all the way back here. Hopefully this is out of range of his invisible shockwave. Let's just jump. Can we just try to jump over it? I don't know. Did we get it? Okay, wait, jump, jump, jump. Invisible shockwave. Okay, I think we dodged it. If there was one at least. Uh-oh, we might die. Run! Run! Okay, we got him. Let's swing him around. Swing, 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 swing. Yeah! We missed again. Okay, try to get out of range. Jump. We're just gonna jump. Spam jump. Oh, better jump. Don't know where that shockwave is. I think we dodged it. Okay, run over here. Grab Bowser's tail. Okay, everybody. Oh. Some fire. Better dodge that. Ooh, some coins. Okay, so we have yellow. Oh, God. Yep, there's definitely an invisible shockwave because we just took a ton of damage. Now we have 1 bar left. Grab! We got him, okay? So what we're going to do is we're just going to throw him like that, and then we're going to run over, get his tail again. Gotta get it. Okay, now we're super close. We can't miss. Yeah! We got him. Okay. Hello, Bowser. Whoa. A key. We can use this key to get to the basement. I'm tired. Let's get this. Yeah! Key. Okay, everybody. I guess I'll see you guys when I get to Big Boo's haunt, I think. See you then. Hey, everybody, so you gotta come over here and you gotta take out this Boo. He has a cage inside of him. Oh, man. Really? Slide. Yeah! Okay, we got him, and then you jump into it, and then you go in. Then you get into Big Boo's haunt. So we're gonna go to Eye to Eye in the secret room. I know how to get this one, but it's pretty difficult, and you need to be really fast. You also have to know how to long jump pretty well. So you're gonna come in here, and your staircase should already be up. If not, then you probably didn't do the first boss. So you gotta come over here, and you gotta long jump. If you did it right, also you need the vanish cap unlocked. If you don't have it, this should just be like a hologram. You gotta get it, and then you gotta run. Vanish cap. Okay, then you gotta run really fast. This has to be super fast. You gotta jump up here. I might not do it first try, but that's okay. You gotta run, you gotta do a cartwheel. Oh, okay, I messed up. I'm just gonna head back. I know I still have the vanish cap, but you need it for a while, and if you mess up a lot like I did, you probably can't get it. So you have to jump so you don't have the little animation of you switching your cap. You gotta run over here. Jump. Come over here. Go like this. Do a little backflip. Okay, it's not right. Little backflip. Okay, I can't do it, man. Okay, guys, I'll just see you when I get up there. Hey, everybody, we made it in, and oh, we gotta run around this eye. This is a boss fight, I guess. It's not that hard because it literally takes basically no skill. You just have to know. Oh, my controllers fell off. Weird. You just basically have to know how to run, which is not that hard. Here we go. Okay, guys, I'll see you when I'm in Shifting Sandland. See you then. Okay, everybody, I'm in the pyramid, I guess. And Twister saved me. He's a little tornado that you probably know about. Oh, if you play Mario 64. And I was about to fall because my wing cap ran out, but Twister saved me. So now we're here. We're ready for the boss. Let's go. So you're probably coming down here and it's like, wait, what? So you gotta step on these stone, and then the boss fight triggers. It's these 2 hands with eyes. It's actually pretty easy to beat it. So you just have to spam A to skip all this. Then you gotta, if you see an open eye, you gotta get it. Okay, got that. And this one's gonna be open. Got it. Which one's open? This one? Yeah. It alternates mostly. Uh-oh. Almost died right there. Good. Which one's gonna open? Don't know. This one. Yep, missed. Ow, that hurt. Oh, okay, neither of them are open. Good. This one, this one. Yeah! Yeah! Did I get it? I don't think so. Oh my gosh, I almost died. Should probably be careful. I'm scared about that one. Not so much about that one though. Ah, backflip into battle. Oh, bad. I think I got it. Oh, I defeated that hand, okay? He's mad. Ah, shaking. Whoa! Don't push me off, please. Huh? Can I have a star, please? Thank you. That was scary. Those hands almost pushed me off. And I almost just fell off. And I'll see you guys at the second Bowser, I think. See you then. Okay, everybody, we made it to this thing where when you drop into it, you get to Bowser. So we're at the second Bowser. Already. Pretty good. Yeah. Okay, Bowser. What do you have? That's not hard. Whoa. Trippy. Yeah, come here. Why don't you want to be grabbed? Being grabbed by your tail. Actually, yeah, that's no fun. Just don't teleport. That's annoying. Oh, can I get him? When he shoots out fire, that's my opportunity to grab his tail. Okay, guys, I'll just see when I get his tail because this is going to take a while. Okay, everybody, I got it, and that took an extremely long time. I have an open shot. Please don't miss. Okay, really? Really? Okay, guys, I guess I'll see you again once I get his tail once more. Okay, everybody, I got him again. Let's see if we miss or if we make it. I almost thought we got him, but we didn't, so we are probably about to die. Uh-oh. Yep, we're gonna die. Where am I? Oh, I'm here. Okay. I guess I'll see you guys once I get his tail, which I just did. Come on. This is a really long shot right here. Let's go for it. Yeah! Okay, everybody, I got him again, and yeah! We finally hit Bowser. That took forever. Please don't make it so I have to hit you twice. Do I just have to hit you once? Okay, that was pretty difficult, but we got it. Key! Give me that. Yeah. Yeah. Here we go! Okay, everybody, I'm in Snowman's Land. We're going to be fighting the Ice Bullies, which is Chill with the Bully Star. And we got to launch them to here, and here we are. And I beat him, just like I did with the regular bully. There's our star. Yeah. Okay, and next I think we're going to be doing, probably the Wiggler. So I'll see you guys once I make it to the Wiggler. That might take a little though, so bye. Everybody, I'm actually back before the Wiggler, and I want to just show you how to get the cap, the wing cap. So if you look up right here, and you get teleported to here, and then you have to come down here, and you got a ground pound, like probably right here. And if you press the button, which is right here, which I've already pressed, you have unlocked the wing cap. And then there's no way to really get out except for either dying or getting all the red coins. So I'm gonna just go down. Whee! See you guys at the Wiggler. Okay, everybody, if you didn't actually know how to get to the Wiggler, you gotta go to Tiny Huge Island, and you gotta get up to the top of here. You gotta ground pound when you're big. And all the water goes down, and you switch to being tiny with this pipe down here. And then you gotta go into the volcano. Or the mountain, I guess. So you guys wanna get up there. Okay, everybody, I made it to the top here, and then all you have to do is drop into this little hole right here. And then you're up here. The Wiggler says this. If you jump down like right over here, I think you hit him. But I missed. Got him. Okay. Now we gotta hit him again. Oh, he got us. Wiggler's pretty hard, and oh my gosh, he's probably gonna kill me. Run, 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 run. Get all the coins, get all the coins, get all the coins. Get all the coins. Yeah, I'm gonna get him there. Okay. I'm gonna get you again, Wiggler. If you just leave me alone, maybe we can... Oh. Sorry, Wiggler. Can I have your star? Please. I'm in the star, I guess. That's good. We got our star, and I guess I'll see you guys once I get to the final Bowser, which is the final boss of Super Mario 64. See you guys then. Yeah. I'm just goated. Come on. We're gonna get you, Bowser. Oh my gosh, Bowser. Well, according to my calculations, we should beat him. But we should be also a one-tap when we beat him, so. The third stage is hard. The first two aren't that bad. I had a clear shot. I could have just went like, yoink. But I missed. Okay. Oh, coin. Can I grab that? Thank you. Should we just like run around? Let's just like run around the outside until Bowser decides to catch us. Because we're so fast. We're just like speedy. Knee slide. Well, we're not knee slide. We're just gonna use our beautiful moveset and just move. Yeah, we're just gonna troll Bowser. Yo, he did 2 charge attacks, but he didn't hit us. That's good. Okay. Am I in really Mario POV? Oh man, that's sus. Whoa. Okay, that's fair. We're gonna just run in a circle. Yeah, I'm just gonna run. Oh. Yeah. Okay, fair enough. You hit us once. Leave us alone, Bowser. What did we do to you? Technically nothing, actually. We beat him twice, I guess. Okay, well, the first time we fought you, what did we do wrong? You kidnapped Peach. That's all we want. So we are gonna hit you with some instant karma. Well, not instant. Backflip. Yeah. Oh, no. Yeah, I gotta get closer, don't I? You are gonna get caught, Bowser. Come on, everybody. I think this is the one. Yahoo! Come on! No. Oh, he's gonna hit us like right. Beautiful. Come on, this is the one. Oh, he actually got his tail somehow. Okay, no. Still no. Jump, 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 jump. Okay. I'm gonna hit a backflip, Bowser. No. I think if it was actually a backflip, I think I would have made it over him. Come on, let's go. Got him. Let's go. We beat Bowser. Yeah. I'm gonna do a celebratory backflip. Let's go over to him. No, it can't be. You've really beaten me, Mario. I gave those troops power, but now it's all fading away. Arr, I can see the peace returning to the world. I can't stand it. It's not over yet. Come on, troops, let's watch the ending together. Wahaha. Ooh, a big star. This star looks cool. It's definitely bigger because it's about the same size as me. Because let's do a backflip into it. Yeah. Yeah, that was cool. We have a wing cap. Now Mario is gonna fly somewhere with the power of the star. Where? I'm not sure because he's gonna have to get out of the painting. Usually you do that when you beat the boss.